Thickness measurements should be conducted on a random basis, in pre-selected areas in at least one bay per floor, or for each 10,000 square feet of floor area, whichever provides the greatest number of tests. Testing should be done on one area of metal deck, one column, one primary and one secondary beam, and one joist or truss. When measuring thickness, the test area must be free of physical damage and have a surface texture relatively free of excessively high or low points. Thickness is measured in a predetermined repetitive pattern, which ensures obtaining representative average thickness. For beam thickness, the points at numbers 1 through 9 are measured. For columns, measure at points numbered 1 through 12. Joists and trusses are measured at 7 points. For beams, columns, and joists, 2 sets of measurements are taken 12 inches apart. Measurements are taken by inserting the pin of the thickness gauge perpendicular to the substrate. When the pin touches the substrate, move the sliding disc to the material surface. Use sufficient force to register the average plane of the surface. If the indicator is allowed to rest on the top peaks or is pushed too far into the surface, inaccurate thickness readings will result. If the material is too hard to penetrate with the gauge, as may be the case with cured medium and high-density fireproofing, then a small diameter hole may be drilled, just large enough to fit the needle for thickness measurement. On flat decks, mark 12 points symmetrically within a 144 square inch template area that is at least 6 inches on one side, and measure the thicknesses. For fluted deck, mark the template area and take 4 random symmetrical measurements on each of the following: valley, crest, and sides, for a total of 12 measurements. The required thickness on crests, valleys, and sides may vary in some designs. In such cases, consult the underwriter's laboratory's design criteria. Individual measurements that exceed the specified thickness by more than 1/4 inch are recorded as the specified thickness plus 1/4 inch. Any area where an individual measurement is more than 1/4 inch or 25% less than the specified thickness, or where the average thickness is less than that required by the design, is considered a failed area and must be corrected by applying additional material. Each set of thickness measurements for the different structural members or deck section are then reported as a single average thickness.